What if 2026 isn't the year you try harder, but the year your body finally starts working with you? Most people fail at their health goals, not because they're lazy, but because they focus on motivation instead of biology. From early morning commutes in New York to long desk jobs in London and hectic workdays in Nairobi, our daily habits are quietly shaping our health far more than any workout ever will. Stick with me to the end, because the final habit is one that doctors rarely explain, but it changes everything. First up, start your day with natural light, before you even look at your phone. Your phone might be stealing your energy before you've even had breakfast. Morning sunlight is powerful. It resets your body's internal clock, which actually helps you sleep better later that night. This improves your focus during long office hours and is especially crucial for those of us with indoor lifestyles, like during London or Toronto winters. It's such a simple habit. Just 5 to 10 minutes outside or even near a bright window can make all the difference. Number 2. Eat protein earlier in the day, not necessarily more of it. See, it's not just about how much you eat, it's about when you eat it. Having protein early helps reduce cravings throughout the entire day. It supports your muscle and metabolism, which is incredibly important as we age. And it keeps your energy levels steady during those long workdays. A common mistake is skipping breakfast and then overeating at night. You can fix this with simple swaps like eggs, yogurt, legumes, or fish in the morning. Habit number 3 is a game changer. Walk after your meals, even for just 5 minutes. This tiny habit can beat many traditional workouts. Why? It helps regulate your blood sugar, which dramatically reduces those afternoon energy crashes. It also supports your digestion naturally. This is so easy to fit into city lifestyles: a quick stroll after your lunch break or an evening walk after dinner. No gym, no special gear, and no pressure required. Next, hydrate for your cells, not just for your thirst. Feeling tired all the time? It might not be stress. It could be dehydration. Even mild dehydration can wreck your focus and mood. Proper hydration supports your skin, digestion, and circulation. It's especially important in warm climates or in those dry, heated offices. The trick is to spread your water intake across the day instead of chugging it all at once. And you can add minerals naturally through food. No need for the expensive hype. Number 5. Strength train gently but consistently. Here's a secret. Muscle is the organ of longevity. It helps protect your joints and bones. It supports your metabolism, especially after you turn 40. And it improves your balance and overall confidence. Short, consistent sessions are far more effective than rare, intense workouts that leave you exhausted. You don't need a fancy gym. Bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or light weights work perfectly. Habit number 6. Protect your sleep like it's a non-negotiable appointment. Sleep isn't just rest, it's active repair time for your body. Poor sleep messes with your hormones and your appetite. And here's the key. A consistent sleep time matters even more than the total duration. Creating a simple evening routine helps calm your nervous system. Remember that screens delay your body's melatonin release, so put them away. A quiet, dark room is your best friend for deeper, restorative rest. The 7th and final habit is the one that ties it all together. Consistency beats intensity. This is the secret that makes all the other habits actually work. Small, daily habits compound over time into massive results. The pursuit of perfection is what kills progress. Your body absolutely loves routine. Missing a day here or there doesn't matter, but quitting does. This is how 2026 becomes different. This is why most health plans fail, they demand perfection. But now you know the secret, and that's why yours won't. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your health work for you.